Here's some things to start a lawn care business without any money. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. So here's some things to start a lawn care business without any money. You ready? Number one, cut off the TV. It shouldn't cost you any money to cut the TV off. Don't utilize your time watching the television. It's lies, fam. It's lies. What you want to do is utilize that time to focus on growing a business, such as lawn care. Like, how much time do you spend daily watching the television versus how much time you spend sitting in a chair brainstorming on how you're gonna get this started? And notice, I'm just saying brainstorming on how to get it started. That costs you no money, none at all. Now, another thing you can do that won't cost you no money is you doing it right now. YouTube is free now, guys, for now. As you can see, things are changing a lot. Eventually, this information is gonna cost you money. So please, by all means, take the time to watch some of the guys on the strategies on how to grow your business, how to get started in lawn care. Another thing, it's not gonna cost you any money by talking to other people. And I'm talking about, hey, do you get your grass cut? That's in your neighborhood. Yeah, I get my grass cut. Hey, can I ask you a question? How much do they charge you? It's free. Most of that information is free. It is free. So that's some information on how to get started with no money. Man, let me tell you something. You can put you a few properties together in your neighborhood. You can cut just those properties. Don't look at YouTube and think everyone is millionaires balling out of control, because we're not. This is hard work. You can do it, but you should be able to reap something over a period of time. You can do it. If this is a long-term situation, this thing, each year you can grow your business by 10. Now you're saying, all right, 10 yards this year, that's 20 yards next year. That's 40 yards after that. That's 80 yards after that. See how it keep doubling, tripling, quadrupling? By the time you're in your 10th year, but what I'm trying to tell you right now, you can do it. Get started. Cut the TV off. If you're married, talk to the wife, because she got to be down. And then go out there and make that money. Your business will grow, and you enjoy the fruit of your labor. So, hope you like this motivation today, guys. Please like and subscribe to my video. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. Please help your boy out, okay? Cut on, fam. Cut on. Cutting out. Peace.